is Riverside, Iowa. You can see there's sprinklers going here, but try to get in here as best I can. Show you this monument thing. This is the future birthplace of Captain James T Kirk. For all you Trekkie fans. Riverside's a pretty old little town. You can walk up and down the street and get pictures of these little flags on the poles. All the original Star Trek characters. Got a couple more we gotta get over here and grab. They're on the post office wall, so even their post office is into this birthplace of Kirk thing. And there's the Enterprise, except for it's the USS Riverside. And there's Kirk. This little mural fence. Space the Final Frontier.